Hello guys, another video from my car. As every Saturday I talk about dev career, not that much about Laravel, but about dev career. And I want to emphasize one thing that may harm you in your career. Or on the other side is one thing that you need, that all of us need to make our career better. It is courage. Probably sounds surprising because developers and courage, so we are not like knights or fighters or warriors. We don't need courage, right? But what I mean by that is not the courage like in a fight, but not being afraid. And I will show you three examples, tell you three examples how we can be afraid and then it would harm our career. So imagine you are a new developer and you get your first job, and then at some point you need someone's help. Whether it's your colleague or someone else even online, and you are afraid to ask questions. Why? Because they may think you are a failure, right? So being afraid to fail is probably the number one reason not to succeed in the first place, because only with failure, with actually multiple failures, we actually then succeed. So in the very beginning of your career, you may be afraid to just ask questions and ask for help. So that's being afraid number one example. Example number two is being afraid to talk to your manager or boss about improving the process in your current project, about switching to another project, about salary raise, about changing your position, about maybe even criticizing what that boss is doing managing the project. And what are we afraid of? Probably, of course, we are afraid to lose our job, right? But then if you don't do that, then you become more miserable in your current job. And at the end, you still need to find a new job down the road, probably. That's how developers often get stuck in the same job for years and years. Just being afraid to try to change the situation, and they get stuck for a long time. And then this is exactly the example number three, is being afraid to try to look for another job. Then you are afraid of two things. One thing, that you won't be able to get another job, or actually three things. Second thing is that the new job would be worse than the current job. And then the third thing, that while looking for the new job, you would be at risk of losing the current job and then land without job at all. So all those examples actually lead to the same thought, that you are afraid of change, afraid of getting out of comfort zone because you are afraid to lose something that you kind of already have, but what you have is not ideal, so you still need to change to get out of your comfort zone and to look for better success. So ask yourself, what is stronger within you? Desire to succeed or the fear of failure? It sounds really philosophical, I know, but with those examples that I've just listed a few minutes ago, it sounds really practical. Don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone and try to change something around you. Yes, you may fail. Yes, some people may think you are a failure, but then you have opportunity to learn and change yourself, improve yourself. If while looking for a new job you don't find anything, then it means probably that you have lack in some knowledge or skills. It may be technical skills, or it may be negotiation skills, or it may be presentation skills, so presenting yourself in your CV or during interviews. So look at yourself, what you can improve, but only by failing you can improve. Then you will know what to improve, then you improve, and then you succeed. That's how life goes. That's how every career goes, including development career. So after this video, ask yourself, what is your next step outside of your comfort zone, looking for more success in your career? That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.